You see a volcano as one giant mountain, but inside, it works like a full network, each part pushing the next. Let's move through this system step by step. We start with the magma chamber. This is the huge storage space deep underground where molten rock collects. It sits quietly for years, building pressure until it forces its way upward. Imagine the power needed to push through solid rock from below. Next is the rock layers. These layers create the base of the volcano. They're part of the planet's crust, and tiny fractures in them act like entry points. Magma uses these openings to begin its upward journey. Next is the conduit pipe. This is the main vertical passage inside the volcano. Magma rises through it during an eruption, and the pressure is so strong that it breaks pieces off the walls as it climbs. Next is the branch pipe. Magma doesn't always stick to one path. It can slip into side cracks and create new roots inside the volcano. When this happens, pressure shifts and the volcano gains new channels. Next is the sill. Sometimes magma spreads sideways instead of upward. It cools between rock layers and forms thin, flat sheets tucked inside the crust. Next is the vent. This is the main opening where magma, gas, and steam finally escape. Most volcanoes have one central vent, but some grow more over time. Next is the side vent. If magma reaches the surface through a branch pipe, it forms another opening on the side of the volcano. This creates extra spots where eruptions can happen. Next is the crater. At the top of the vent sits a bowl-shaped hollow. Its shape and size come from past eruptions. Some volcanoes even have more than one crater, showing how the volcano has changed over time. Next is the volcanic cone. Every eruption adds something to the mountain. Lava cools, ash settles, and debris stacks up. Over many years, these layers create the cone shape you see from the outside. Next is the throat. This is the final part of the conduit, just below the vent. Lava and gases speed through this narrow passage right before they reach open air. Next is the lava flow. Once lava reaches the surface, it moves down the sides of the volcano. It can travel long distances if it's thin and fast, or move slowly if it's thick and heavy. Next is the volcanic ash cloud. Strong eruptions blast gas, ash, and rock into the sky. These materials rise and form a giant cloud that spreads across the atmosphere. Finally, the layers of lava and ash. Each eruption leaves behind something: cooled lava, ash, rock fragments. Over many years, these layers stack up and shape the volcano into what you see today. How many eruptions do you think built the volcano you're looking at? So in the end, a volcano is not just a mountain of fire and rock. It's a system built layer by layer over time. If you like this video, hit like, share it with someone who loves science, and subscribe for more such videos.